Number 1, weighting the valuation. First, be cautious about basing a valuation entirely on the most recent year, especially if it's a best ever performance year. This might seem like a good idea because it looks like the business is doing well, especially while it's growing, but it could be an outlier. Look for a longer time frame to get a more accurate picture. Number 2, inappropriate seller discretionary earning addbacks. Let's talk about SDE addbacks. These adjustments are normal, but they need to be provable, legal, and clearly an owner benefit that won't be necessary for you as the buyer. Number 3, inappropriate adjustments. Similar to addbacks, normalizing adjustments can be tricky. For example, a large one-time expense might be added back, but consider if this is truly a one-time expense. If it's something like new paint or fixtures that need to be replaced regularly, factor that into your projections. Maybe they're not an add back,